So hi everyone, I'm Sanjay. Health insurers decide what they will pay for by publishing medical policies, which producers are covered. These policies get revised all the time, and when one changes and nobody notices, claims start coming back denied. Most teams find that out weeks later after the money is already gone. The catch is there are hundreds of these policies per insurer sitting on a web page as a pile of PDFs. Keeping up means someone checking that page by hand forever, and in practice nobody does that. Redline is what I built for that. It scrapes the insurer's policy page, compares every run against the last one, and when a policy's date moves, it goes and finds the insurer's own monthly bulletin that says why. Then it summarizes what changed, flags how urgent it is, and links you to the exact page of the PDF it got that from. So you can check it yourself. Let me show it to you. This is United Healthcare's own website. It's what Redline points at. Every row here is a policy. You can check it this. And also we have the last published date. This is the date that we will compare in our Redline software. So let me give you a live demo of our scrapers. So we will get back the data with the help of Bright Data Scraper Studio Collector. Point at the exact page. Okay, the file is returned, and as you can see we have the policy title in here, then we have the last published date, that is very important, in the category section we have the dashboard that shows you the change in last 30 days. We have like 5 changes in policies, 5 policies have been changed, and then this is our watch list. And then in our dashboard we can either look at all our changes in here, or we can just have a look at our watching only the ones we are interested in here. As you can see, it's not been explained, so what we do is we know the source PDF for this particular policy, right? So we can just click on it and we can just get the PDFs, and we also know the bulletin for that month that explains what are the changes. So we just extract all of the information from the PDF, and we look at the bulletins changes, and then we try to get the part from the source PDF that matters to us, and then we send it to Gemini to get the explanation of this. For example, in here United Healthcare revisited the clinical coverage criteria for the genetic testing for cardiac disease medical policy effective September 1, 2026. This is an important information, that is when it will be effective, the date in here.